Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to pick a Kia Soul door lock, updated. Start by confirming keyed versus smart options and inspect your existing actuator and latch for wear. Measure bolt and latch spacing precisely and note connector types so you avoid returns. Consider OEM clones for easier fit and aftermarket smart locks for remote access. Then compare prices, warranties, and installation difficulty to choose the best overall option for your needs. In this video, I will explain how to pick a Kia Soul door lock, updated. Prepare by collecting screwdrivers, a trim tool, panel clips, and a multimeter for testing connectors and actuators. Disconnect the battery to prevent electrical issues while handling door wiring and sensors. Keep small containers for screws and a bit of grease for moving parts, and review installation instructions to know when you might need professional help. In this video, I will explain how to pick a Kia Soul door lock, updated. Quick recommendation. If you need something simple and practical during a long install, the Oala water bottle keeps you hydrated and avoids spills while you work. It fits cup holders and has a secure lid, so it saves hassle when leaning into doors or trunks. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will explain how to pick a Kia Soul door lock, updated. Start by comparing OEM parts to reputable aftermarket options for fit, warranty, and price. Confirm that electrical connectors, pinouts, and actuator stroke match your specific Kia Soul trim and door assembly. Factor in installation complexity, available instructions, and whether you want keyless entry or smart features. Then balance cost against long-term reliability and security.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.